Hello, my name's Laurel Papworth and this is AI News. So a quick Copilot update. In October 2025, Microsoft added custom instructions to Copilot so you could tell it how to respond and not just what to do. Now in December 2025, Copilot has added memory. This means it can reference previous prompts and outputs to give more consistent answers over time. This matters because pre-trained AI models, GPTs, don't remember anything, so they need a memory function. You can turn memory off if you want fresh eyes. It's under the personalization menu in settings. But for ongoing work, this will make Copilot far more useful. It now is more like a long-term colleague than an intern that started this morning. Just make sure they don't steal the last muffin out of the breakout room. See you in the next episode, session, whatever. See you then. Thanks.